Hello, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your calculus question tonight. So we have this situation where we have a soda cooling in the refrigerator, and it says that it's the rate of change, so the derivative of temperature in terms of time, the rate of change of the temperature in terms of time is proportional. So we're going to say K is the constant to the difference of the original temperature minus the surrounding temperature. So that's what we have here, and we have to use a differential equation to figure out what the equation will be in terms of time. So to do that, what we want to do is we want to take the integral of both sides. So what we get on this side is f of t, and the derivative of this or the integral of this in terms of t is just going to be k times t minus s, and then t right here. And this is time, and this is the original temperature. Now, if we plug in what we know from the beginning is the original temperature, the surroundings, the time, and the temperature at that time, what we get is this is going to be 61. K is what we're going to solve for, and then T is 72 minus 44 is the surroundings, and then times 0.5, which is a half hour. So we're going to do time in terms of hours. So then we solve for K. We divide all of this, 61 by all that, so this is 28, and half of 28 is 14. So what we get is K equals 4.36. That's what K equals. So we can plug this back into this equation right here for K. And we also know these things. So what we get is f of t. So however long this will be for time, we will know the temperature. So we're going to plug in 4.3, and this is actually 28. So we're going to actually multiply that by our K, and then we'll just get, let's see, this actually comes out to 122, and then times t. So this will be our equation right here. So that's part A. Part B is easy. All you have to do is just substitute the t in, or it's not as easy. We know that we're going to solve that. This is 50, and we're going to solve for t. So what we get is 50 divided by 122, and what we get is time equals 0.41. And if we multiply that by 60 minutes, we get 24.6 minutes. If we multiply that by 60. All right, Polo, thank you for sending in your question tonight, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.